Okay, a very good morning children. Children, in the previous class we were discussing how to find the sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon. N-sided means whatever the number of sides of a polygon may be, 3 or more than 3. If the number of sides of a polygon is 3 or more than 3, how to find the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon we were discussing, and the formula I said. What is the formula? I hope you must have remembered. Still once again I am discussing. It is the formula to find sum of interior angles of any n-sided regular polygon. Any n-sided polygon is your n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. Children, there is still another formula. Of course, it is not given in your book, but you can use another formula. Instead of this formula, we can also use another formula to calculate the sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon. So what is that formula? Let me tell you. This is one formula, and the second formula, instead of n minus 2, you can write 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, where n is the same number of sides. Okay. You can also use this formula to find the sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon. Okay. And also I had told you how to find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. What was the formula? The formula was n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. That means if the sum of all interior angles is divided by the number of sides, then we will get the measure of each interior angle of any regular polygon. Okay. Now children, let us, in a triangle there are also how many exterior angles? In a triangle there are 3 exterior angles. In a quadrilateral there are also 4 exterior angles. Okay. Now if we are able to calculate the sum of interior angles of any n-sided polygon, then we can also calculate the sum of exterior angles. Okay. So let us discuss today what is the sum of exterior angles of any n-sided polygon. What will be the formula? Okay. Now to make you understand what is the formula, children, let us take, I have drawn two figures. One is a rectangle, one is a quadrilateral. See, in this triangle, here is a triangle, here is a quadrilateral. Now this triangle has 3 exterior angles, namely angle 1, angle 2. This is angle 2 and this is angle 3. See, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These are the exterior angles of this triangle, and small angle small a, small b and small c. These are interior angles of this triangle. Okay. Now what will be the sum of these 3 exterior angles? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. What will be the sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3? Children, you know what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle. Okay. Which is how much? It is 180 degree. But what about the sum of their exterior angles? In a triangle, as there are 3 exterior angles, what will be the sum of the 3 exterior angles? Okay. Here n equal to 3 in triangle, number of sides in this polygon, n equal to 3. Okay. Now let us find what will be the sum of angle 1 plus 2 plus 3. You can easily establish. Okay, you can easily derive. How? You see. Now look at angle A and angle 1. What angles do they form? You see, this is your interior and this is interior adjacent. You know what is the relation between an interior angle and an interior adjacent angle. They always form a what? They always form a linear pair. So angle A plus 1 must be 180 degree because they form a linear pair. Okay. Similarly, look at angle B plus angle 2. They also form a linear pair and their sum will be 180 degree. Similarly, in triangle ABC, angle C plus small c plus angle 3. Interior and interior adjacent. Their sum will be 180 degree. Okay. Now, if we add these 3 equations, you see. If we add these 3 equations, what we will get? What will be obtained? You see. Your A plus B on adding A plus B plus C plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This will be 180. Added 3 times, it will be 540 degree. Okay. Now what is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3? Now look at sum of A plus B plus C. We want to find the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is the sum of the exterior angles of this triangle. But what about the sum of A plus B plus C? These are interior angles. So their sum is, by angle sum property, their sum is 180. So in place of A plus B plus C, we can put 180 degree. Now if we put 180 degree here, it will be subtracted if it goes to the right hand side. That means 180 degree plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is your 540. So clearly, therefore, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 540 minus 180, which is your how much? 360. So what did we see, children? We saw that in this triangle, which is a polygon having 3 sides and it has 3 exterior angles, the sum of the 3 exterior angles is how many degree? It is 360 degree. Now let us see whether it is true for a quadrilateral or not. Okay. If it is true for a quadrilateral, then it will be true for a pentagon also, because if it is true for 3-sided polygon, it is true for 4-sided polygon. So by induction we can conclude that it is also true for any n-sided polygon, that their sum of the exterior angles of any n-sided polygon will always be equal to 360 degrees. Now let us see the second case. Okay. Now in case of a quadrilateral, see, I have drawn a quadrilateral. There are 4 interior angles and also 4 exterior angles. So what are the interior angles? The interior angles are angle A, B, C and D, and exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And in a similar manner you can prove. In a similar manner, see, A plus 1 in this quadrilateral, you see. Now look at angle A plus angle 1. It will be 180 degree because they form a linear pair LP. Similarly, B plus 2. It will form 180 degree. Again the same regime. Similarly, C plus angle 3. It is 180 degree. Again the same regime. And D plus angle 4. It is also 180 degree. Okay. Now you add all the 4 equations. If you add all the 4 equations, see, A plus B plus C plus D. These are the 4 interior angles of this quadrilateral, and you know what is their sum. In the previous class we discussed. Sum of interior angles of any quadrilateral. Sum of the 4 interior angles of any quadrilateral is always equal to 4 right angles of 360 degree. So in place of A plus B plus C plus D, it will be, you see, A plus B plus C plus D plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to how much? It is 180 into 4, that is 720 degree. Now in place of this we can write how much? 360. So therefore 360 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 will be 720. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, it will be 720 minus 360. That is 360 again. So what did we see? You see, here the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. These are the 4 exterior angles of this quadrilateral. And their sum is again coming 360 degree. That means we can say that sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral, which is a polygon having 4 sides, is also equal to 360 degree. So from this we can conclude in general that for any n-sided polygon, or if a polygon has n number of sides, then its sum of all the exterior angles is always equal to how many degrees? 360. It is true for all polygons. Okay. For all polygons, the sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. So that is the general conclusion. So what will we write? The formula, therefore, sum of exterior angles of any n-sided polygon, polygon is equal to how much? 360 degree. 360 degree. And if the sum of exterior angles of any n-sided polygon is 360 degree, then what will be the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon? Measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Definitely it will be equal to the sum divided by number of sides, that is 360 by n. Okay. So this is another formula how to find each exterior angle. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon? The formula will be your sum. Sum means 360 degree divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Okay. So 360 degree is the sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles of a n-sided polygon, and n is the number of sides. So if you divide the two, you will get the measure of each exterior angle of any what? Any n-sided regular polygon. Okay, children. So I hope you understood how to find the sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon and how to find each exterior angle of a regular polygon. These are two formulae you have to remember. One is the sum of all exterior angles of any n-sided polygon. It will always be equal to 360. And the measure of each exterior angle will always be equal to 360 divided by the number of sides. Okay. So with this, I think we completed everything about polygon. Okay. Then in the next class, we will discuss about the chapter is what? Your understanding quadrilateral. So here we will discuss special type, I mean different specific type of quadrilaterals, namely rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezium, etc. These are the specific quadrilateral means it is only general quadrilateral. We do not know what is the name of this particular quadrilateral, but when it has a special name, it becomes specific quadrilateral. So in the next class we will discuss about different quadrilaterals. Particularly first we will discuss trapezium, then parallelogram, then rectangle and your what? Square. But your syllabus is basically concerned with what? The discussion of parallelogram. You have to discuss parallelogram in detail. Okay. The rest things we will just discuss. We will highlight the main things. I mean the basic concepts of trapezium, your rectangle, square, etc. Again these things will be taught in detail in class 9. But our focus will be on the discussion of parallelogram, particularly as per the syllabus. Okay. So we shall discuss all these things again in the next class. Till then I hope whatever I discussed you understood. Thank you.